In this video, we're going to continue by implementing our add company marker method. So I'm still inside my custom map class. I'm down here at the bottom. I'm going to expand the method definition. And we're going to create another marker inside of here. Now, as you might guess, the marker code is going to look awfully similar to what we just did. The only difference is that we're now pulling the latitude and longitude off of an instance of a company as opposed to a user. So I'm going to add in new google.maps.marker. Capital M marker. We're going to give this thing an options object. It's going to have a map property that is a reference to the map that we want to add the marker to, which will be this .google map. And we'll also have that position property that's going to have a latitude coming from our company. So that would be company.location.lat, and a longitude coming from company.location.lng, like so. All right, so I'm going to save this. And right away, you're going to notice that these two methods right here look awfully darn similar, don't they? Huh, that's kind of funny. Well, before we start to obsess over that too much, let's make sure we can actually show a marker for a company. So I'm going to go back over to index.ts. I'm going to uncomment our import for company. Right underneath my user, I'll create a company. And we can use that company and add it as a marker. So custom map.add company marker, and I'll pass in my company like so. So let's save this, flip back over to the browser again, and just make sure we can see our marker. Yep, sure can. All right, so we got both our markers to display. But like I said, well, our custom map file or our class doesn't have the best format right now. So this right here, this ends the bad code we've written. Okay, so from here on out, we're going to discuss how to fix the bad code we have inside of here. First off, let's make sure it's really clear what is bad about this. So the very bad thing here is that we've got two different methods that very clearly have, a ton of duplication between them. The only difference is that in this case, we are accepting a user, and in this case, we are accepting a company. Now, it sure would be great if we could just take in like one method and say, hey, as long as you are passing in something that has like a latitude and longitude, everything is going to work out just fine. And that's exactly what we want to do. We're going to take these two methods and figure out how to condense them down to just one. So let's take a quick pause right here. We're going to come back to the next video and take a look at a couple diagrams to understand how we're going to do this by using interfaces and what the implication of it is. So quick break, and I'll see you in just a minute.